Hey guys, welcome back to Startup Yourself, where we're back with another amazing video just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button and make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our latest uploads. Are your exams right around the corner when your preparation is near to none? Do you have trouble focusing on your studies even though you have very little time left? Well, then you're in the right place. Today, we're going to talk about tricks and secrets for studying effectively that only a few students are aware of and will help you study smarter in less time. You can still score well in that test of yours. Make sure you watch the video until the end. So without further ado, let's get right to it. Set time periods. We have this false feeling of productivity when we sit in front of our books all day, trying to learn all the material in one sitting, when in reality, this only slows down the brain and its learning process. In order to be able to effectively learn and study, you need to set time periods. According to Parkinson's law, work expands according to the time that has been set or given for its completion. So not only does it affect your learning ability, but also exhausts you. This way, you lag behind in other activities for the rest of your day as well. Setting studying schedules helps a lot with setting proper time for everything. And once you try this method, you'll notice that you were able to get more work done and without feeling worked up or burnt out. Write down your notes. Even though in these modern times it's more convenient and efficient to type everything down, it doesn't help someone with the learning process. Different surveys found out that writing down your notes plays a better role in memory retention and helps remember stuff through muscle memory. So, if you want to be able to study more effectively, you should handwrite your notes instead of just typing them down on your phone or laptop. Active learning. You might be learning what active learning is. Well, we're here to tell you. Active learning is the type of learning where the student actively participates in the learning process. It can be done by annotating your textbooks, highlighting the important bits, and breaking down the text into smaller parts so it can be easily memorized. Compared to passive learning, this method helps the learner gain more awareness and knowledge about the material. Prepare the important parts first. Do you ever just start learning from the very first page of your textbook and then by the end get so tired that you're not even able to finish it? If so, then you're doing it wrong. Every time you start studying from the very first line of a chapter, you'll end up feeling exhausted before you reach the important parts. This results in a lack of preparation and you end up feeling very sluggish and demotivated. So, it is best to start with the parts that you know are the most important and have a greater chance of being asked in the exam or test. This way, you can finish the important stuff first and then move towards thorough reading from the start, if you have more time left. Stay away from your phones. The electronic devices that you're probably using right now to watch this video, stay away from those while you're studying. Everybody knows that everything looks more distracting and interesting once you've opened up your textbook. One is on the watch for every new notification and every time the screen lights up or attention diverts towards it. The best solution for this is to switch off your phone and put them in the drawer or keep them in a different room. You can also put it on your focus or work mode and keep it that way until your work is done. And know that the memes aren't going anywhere. Take breaks. Continuous studying without any time to relax in between restarts the learning process. So it is important that there is a proper time set for studying and there are breaks in between. You should come up with a proper schedule with adjustable breaks in between. You can do other stuff, for example, meditating, doodling, and things like that while you're on your study break. It helps you be more creative and help in finding new ideas. Breaks help you stay focused over long periods of time. Breaks can help you retain information in memory. So guys, that's it for today's video. We want to thank you for watching. If you liked it, hit the like button and in the comments section down below, let us know the longest time you sat to study in one place. We'll see you guys in the next one.